If you're tired of bulky air purifiers taking up space, I found a much smaller option that's designed to fit right into your wall outlet. This is the Clarifion Air Ionizer, and it's a compact filterless device that uses negative ion technology, so there are no filters to replace or ongoing filter costs. And this one comes in a pack of 3. What stood out to me the most is the convenience. They're small enough that you barely notice them, and I like not having to worry about cleaning or replacing any filters. And I also like how simple they are to use. You just plug it into a standard outlet and let it run. I've placed these in a few of my different rooms, like my kitchen, my bedroom, and also my bathroom. As a pet owner, I'm always looking for ways to keep my home feeling fresh, especially in rooms where pet hair and everyday household odors can build up. And since they're so compact and operate very quietly, it's so easy to use in bedrooms, offices, or other areas where you don't want extra noise, and so you don't have to rely on a larger unit. If you're looking for a plug-and-play air care solution that's low maintenance and doesn't take up floor space, this could be worth considering. Just keep in mind that it is different from a traditional HEPA-style air purifier, and it's designed around ionization technology. I like how simple these are to use, and they've been an easy addition to my home without adding any clutter or extra maintenance. And shout out to the brand for gifting it to me to try out.